Let's get some trader reaction now coming from Dan Deming at KKM Financial. Good to see you there, Dan. And the jobs report was not too hot, not too cold. It's what a lot of people would call Goldilocks.
Yeah, it appears to be. And that's exactly, I think, the way that the market viewed the number, Angie, as a, just a just right number, I guess, in certain respects. Certainly better than the previous month after that big miss in the prior month. Trending back towards a pretty strong environment, but again, not viewed as overly strong to the point where it puts increased pressure on the Fed to change their policy. And we did see a reaction in the bond market where it rallied after the release of that jobs number last Friday.
What are you watching for, Dan, from the Fed this week?
Yeah, we do. I mean, there's a lot of things that are going to hit the market here. We're going to go into a quiet period shortly with the Fed, as well as they will have a meeting here in a few weeks. And so, and that certainly intraday, as we've seen over the last couple of weeks, when the Fed speakers do engage in different forums, the market has reacted when they've been a little bit possibly off of what their policy currently is. When you hear Harker, one of the Fed officials, talking about they're thinking about the possibility of discussing a change, that's a little contrary to what we're seeing in other, particularly coming from from Fed Chair Powell. So, the market reacts to that. So we're not going to have that in the market, but there's going to be data points, Angie, and certainly the market's now pushing back up towards the top end of the range, has a lot of market observers watching to see if we're going to see some of these major indexes break out of the current price structure they're in.
Thank you, Dan. Have a great week ahead.
All right. Thanks, Angie.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.